hard to have it all together. You knew efforts to get you through. That is time the sorrow grows more than just your heart. And reciting all the verses just won't do. When answers are enough, there is Jesus. His word is just an answer to your faith. And your heart you'll find safe and peaceful refuge. When answers are enough, He is there.